and welcome to Swedish summer vlog number 3. I am excited for this one. We're starting off a little bit different. Today we are off to Malmö festivalen. It's basically a week-long festival they hold in Malmö every summer around mid-August. So I'm really excited to go. They have a bunch of different activities going on and some live music. It's going to be super fun. It's actually my friend's birthday today, so we're going there to celebrate. So that will be really fun. So I've just said goodbye to some of my friends and I'm now meeting my other friends to do this paint and sip thing. We're going on a hike. Today we're going to Söderåsen National Park. I'm so excited. I say this before every single hike, but I wanted to go here for the longest time. I have a list of places that I need to visit in the region, and today we're ticking another one off. Finally the weekend. I've been waiting for it to be Friday since Monday, and I don't usually do that. I don't usually like to do that. I don't like to rush the week. I like to just try and enjoy every single day, but it's just been one of those weeks. I've had a migraine for most of it and it's been a little bit stressful, so I'm so excited to just have a few days to do nothing. Well, not nothing, I actually have a lot to do, but I can do stuff at my own pace and I can do stuff for me because I want to. And my migraine is a lot better now as well. I feel a lot more relieved. Literally a couple of days ago I could barely even eat. It was really bad, but now I'm actually having a dance party because it's Friday. Hello everyone, it is Saturday. I am going to take a cholera vaccination. That is just so random, but I took the first dose last week and it's a 2-dose oral vaccination that you take by yourself. Here is proof from last week. It is empty. I'm gonna insert a clip from last week because I was such a baby trying to do it. This does not look fun. So I need 150 ml of water. I don't know how precise it has to be, so I'm gonna get my measuring jug. Oh, I'm actually kind of disgusted. So this is gonna make it fizzy. Oh, I think this is gonna give it flavor. Oh, fizzy it is indeed. Thing about me is that I hate fizzy drinks, but look at that. Like, this is a lot to drink, so I need to gently mix it. Oh, why is it that color? Here we go. Ah. Okay, it doesn't taste that bad. It tastes kind of like seawater, to be honest. Okay, it's not that bad. But just because I know what it is, just because I know that it's like a cholera vaccination, I'm just like, oh, that's disgusting. I take it back. Okay, I'm making it worse for myself. I just need to drink it. But I hate fizzy drinks. It's actually the fizziness that is like, that I don't like. I'm being such a baby over this. Like, I've drank much worse things in my life. It's psychological and it's because it's fizzy. Done. We've got to do part 2. Because otherwise there was no point in doing the one last week. But the dance party continues nonetheless. Today we're listening to Sabrina Carpenter. Her new album came out, and you know what? The pop girlies this year, they are doing the most. Last week was kind of bad. I mean, embarrassing. I was over dramatic for no reason. So hopefully this week I know what to expect. I could just try and down it and drink it and then just move on with my life. Don't have to do it again, at least for another 3 years. 150 ml of water. I mean, it definitely does not have to be that precise. The buffer solution is what I don't like about it. It makes it like fizzy. So it does smell nice, I must say, but look, can you see the chemical reaction? That's disgusting. It smells kind of fruity at this point, but not a good fruity. Go like this. We mix. And then we have 2 hours to drink it. I mean, I don't know why you would take 2 hours to drink this thing. It is absolutely horrible, trust me. Well, not. There's worse things, but I don't know why you would prolong this to 2 hours and not just try and drink it. Cheers, or stinijasas, as Bella would say. Stinijasas! It's not as bad as I made it out to be last time. Wow. Yeah, I was such a baby the first time. I was meant to go out for breakfast with some friends this morning, but in classic Swedish fashion, the weather is super unpredictable. It started chucking it down, and I don't mean like a little bit of rain, like just wear your raincoat, go out, like it's fine. No, I mean it started like pouring. Yeah, instead I'm gonna have some breakfast, because I mean I was gonna eat breakfast out, so I haven't eaten anything yet. And other than that, I am gonna make some bread actually. So I've made a lot of progress on the bread. Sorry guys, I didn't include you in the process, but it's a lot of the same thing over and over again, and I just honestly wanted to get it out the way. Yeah, so I'm almost done. I've still got like an hour or 2 to go with making this bread, but I'm like 4 hours into the process. It's a very, very long process to make this bread, but it's gonna be totally worth it in the end. I made this last week. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna do this for ages again, because like it takes so long, but here I am a week later, reliving the exact same weekend pretty much. So good, and it's going to be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Oh, I can't wait. Guys, I'm so sorry, my battery ran out and my camera's been charging, but my bread is ready now. I shouldn't be touching it, it's still very hot. Just letting it cool down, and then I'm gonna try some. And my lentil soup is well underway. That was stupid. There we go, that's better. I know it doesn't look like fantastic, but it's one of those meals that tastes 500 and doesn't look amazing, but trust me, it is. It's finally time to eat what I've been making like all day, so let's do this. Oh, that is satisfying. Time for a taste test. I mean, I already know it's gonna taste so good. I already know I'm gonna love it, but just for your guys' sake. Yes. The bread, this is what I'm most excited about, guys.